Sit right here, relax.
I hate him.
Stop.
He's dead to me. He's dead, dog.
Stop.
Bloody dog.
Stop.
I swear to God, you soon. You gonna hang me after this. Your family gonna die. You gonna die everything.
What got her so riled up, though? I'm still lost with that. Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Chaos Erupts After the Woman Gets Fired by Police Insider. I guess she didn't like that too much.
What the f is his name?
Where's her shirt at?
His name.
Let's go.
Find out his name.
You break that and
Cause if I live, they not gonna know.
How you doing?
My name's Sean. I'm one of the HR business partners here.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Amazon. We tripping out over Amazon?
So we have an associate. She's been pretty aggressive towards us.
Okay.
We tried getting her off property at this point. We've
She's
asked
a
her.
boy here?
She is, and then she started pushing our team.
Okay.
I would like her off my property. She
Is
put her
she-
hands on Tyler. Like I'd just like her off property at this point.
All right. Is she like fired, terminated, and all that? All right.
She's gonna be not officially.
They're not gonna tell her right now. They're gonna tell her once they get her off the property.
Where she's suspended at this point. I just want her off my property at this point, sir.
What's her name?
I don't know that, sir. She came in pretty aggressive with us.
Hi, miss. What's going on?
You can take me out, but I need everybody back. Before you take me, I need everybody back.
Miss.
You take me, you gotta get everybody back. I need everybody.
Young
Cause
lady.
y'all bitches about to get
Why she ain't got no shirt on? She got just a sports bra on.
sued.
Young lady.
What's your name, miss?
I need a lady number in there.
Okay,
Look.
I need everybody
I'll
number.
give it to you. You need to calm down.
No, I need somebody to I got everybody. Before
Miss.
y'all take me,
Is she drunk?
I'm about to have my people
We're not-
come for y'all.
We're not.
We need to
Whoa. Don't do that to the cops. That's not gonna end well.
speak to you.
And I'm about to have my lawyer for y'all too.
Young lady.
I need
You can afford a lawyer working at Amazon?
my phone charge.
Young
You better have
lady.
my lawyer. Don't worry about it.
Young lady.
What's your name?
You better have my lawyer. Don't touch me.
Relax.
I am a calm. I'm not an animal. I am black, and I'm a
You acting like an animal though.
young woman.
What
And
we-
I'm white, just like anybody else.
What's going on?
But shooting in there, Eric, you see everybody laughing right now?
Oh,
Like I'm a joke. Like I'm a joke.
Can we have a?
You see everybody joke like I'm a joke?
Can we talk in this office here?
Yes, we could.
You are being a joke right now, though, if we're being completely honest.
Okay.
We could.
Could we?
We could. But before we talk, I need my lawyer. I need everybody. I need my family. I need my family before I talk to you.
Look, that black lady overwhelmed. She like, God damn it. Come on, baby. I don't know what to do.
We have to see
I
what's
need
going
their
on.
names. I need their names. I need I need names.
Can you
so
talk?
my lawyer can have it.
Can you talk?
That's all I ask. I need names.
Okay, we're
Now,
gonna.
if you force
You
me,
can get the names.
that's to get y'all right.
In here.
Okay.
That's to get y'all right.
What is she talking about?
I'm not gonna let nobody detain me without my lawyer.
Okay, well that's not how this works.
Oh, yeah. Think that?
Yeah, I do think.
I hope y'all got all these civilians watching too.
That's fine, but
At this point, you're terminated. I don't know why you're terminated.
That's good. I take that.
You're
take that.
terminated, so
It's good. I'm glad because them not gonna treat you like nothing but shit. But I need every deployment that every treat me like here.
And
I
they'll
need
give
her
you that.
name.
I'm sure they'll
I
give
need
you
a
that.
man up front, and we can go. I'm good with everything.
I'm sure they'll
I'll
give you
leave.
that.
I'll leave. When I have names, I'm good. I'll leave.
We're not getting the
That's not
names
my
right
problem.
now. That's not part of our
Okay,
thing.
so
Right now-
I'm not leaving.
Listen.
I'm not leaving. I need my phone to be
Listen.
charged so I can get my lawyer.
Listen,
I need my
Yeah, baby, you finna get arrested. That's what's finna happen right here.
phone to be charged before the lawyers.
I'm sure if you file a
And I
complaint
hope-
with Amazon,
I'm so glad that these cameras is
listen,
recording
you've been
y'all.
talking this whole time, so
Then try me if
let
you
me.
want to.
you're
let me talk
not.
to
Yeah.
you, okay?
Try me if you want to.
We're not.
Young
We're not
lady.
here to try you.
I'm telling you.
Young lady,
attack
let me talk.
If you want to. I'm telling you, attack.
We're not
But
attacking
every time I shoot
you.
off,
You're the
I'm telling
one.
you,
You're the one getting all
Please
worked
attack me.
up.
23-year-old Taisha didn't expect to be fired after a heated argument with her coworkers turned physical. Refusing to leave until she confronted those who snitched on her, Taisha was fully determined to go to any lengths to teach them a lesson.
You have to leave the premises. We're gonna ask you out.
That's good, but I'm not leaving here without names.
You're not getting the names. What I'm trying
That's
to say
good.
is, if you file a
I need
complaint,
my phone. I need my
Well, that's
phone.
not- listen,
I need my phone.
you
because
can't
y'all
charge your
cannot-
phone.
You have your
y'all
phone.
cannot me for my lawyer, bro.
Okay.
Y'all cannot even
Listen.
talk to me without my lawyer.
at this point, it's
We are
trespassing.
Y'all cannot talk
So
to
we're
me
gonna-
without my
okay.
lawyer.
You're going to be escorted out of the building. Okay.
Oh, you think so?
Yes.
Without no phone.
Why she look like that? Like, baby, he telling you what's about to happen. You,
You have your phone.
So what if I was outside with no
It's on.
clothes on? You would still escort me?
It's on.
Where are your clothes?
Go.
You can put a shirt on. You got a backpack.
No,
put something
I don't
on.
got me.
Okay, well that's not my problem.
Oh, so drive me.
So let's go. We ain't driving nowhere. Did you
Oh no, they don't want to do this, babe.
drive yourself here?
I want you to drive me. Drive me. I want you to drive me.
We're not a taxi service, ma'am, so.
Drive me out of here. I want y'all to drag me out of here.
Young
I
lady.
need y'all to drive me. I'm not playing. That's what I am.
Young
I
lady.
got a vagina between my legs.
Okay, does it have to
You
be this
drive-
way?
We didn't know that. We really didn't know that.
Listen, you could just go home.
No, I need names. Because I
We
was treated
said-
unfairly. It was not right to me.
Okay.
I have my everything stolen from me.
You can file a complaint with Amazon. Get the name. You're not getting the name.
You. And that's disrespectfully. Now.
I said no disrespectful to you.
I was very respectful when I came in here.
I haven't seen you be respectful not one single time in this situation.
Say anything to none of y'all. But you, I'm going to respect you because you never did anything harm to me. But everybody else, you going to have to drag me out. I swear
She is drunk.
to God. Go
We
ahead.
don't want to drag you out. We'd rather just
You going
walk
to
you
have to
out.
drag me. I swear to God. And that's
We've been
what
nice
I'm
to you
gonna
since
Go
the
ahead,
second
do
we
it.
came in here.
That's how y'all going to do. Because y'all about to be fired. Go ahead, do it.
No, they're not.
We're not gonna.
That's how
Young lady.
I'm going to see. I'm going to see.
You're the one making it difficult.
Y'all going to have to do that. Y'all going to have to do that.
So the only way you're getting.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all doing too much talk. I would have been just dragged her ass out of here.
I asked for names. I don't have no
We
battery.
can't- we-
I don't have no charger.
Listen.
Y'all don't even let me charge my phone. Y'all resisted my arrest. And also, I asked for the people names that who didn't even give me the right.
And young lady, if you file a complaint with
Go
Amazon,
bye. I'm
they'll
done
give
with
you the
you. I'm
names.
done with you. I don't want to talk to you.
Okay.
She got to be going through a mental disorder right now, or she's unimpaired. Either way, baby, why you won't just leave?
You want to talk?
I'd love to talk to you. I've been trying to talk to you on a nice, calm level.
What you want to talk about?
The management here says that you're terminating. You have to leave the property.
I'll leave. I'll leave.
All we're
I
gonna
don't
do.
have no problem. I will leave. I need
Okay.
names, so I leave.
I understand that.
You don't have to do anything, but I respect that. I respect that, bro.
Look,
You can't
we-
give me. How you gonna terminate me? You don't give me the names that disrespect me. I work my ass off
I understand that. I understand that.
here. Bro, you know.
We're not saying that you weren't.
I swear to God, you're gonna have to drag me. You're
We
gonna
don't-
have to detain me. You're gonna.
They don't want to do that, baby. No real man gets any type of feel good or great intentions or anything. It doesn't make no man feel good to have to physically put hands on a woman in no type of way.
Let me up, but I refuse to leave. But I promise you, I need your badge number. I need everything.
You can
I
have
swear to
that,
God.
but what
I'm
happened?
gonna have everything. I promise you.
What happened that got you so upset?
Why are you so upset?
Give
Yeah.
me your badge number. I need your badge number and your name. I'm not playing with you.
That's fine. I'm not.
Give me your badge.
I'm trying to help you.
All right.
I wouldn't be taking her seriously. She don't even got no t-shirt on. She got titties out. And you got a do-rag on.
Sir.
It's
Thank
40.
You. Man, I need your badge number. That's you the problem.
I'll give you my card. Here you go.
Thank you.
Hey, that's the first time I heard the officer say he got an actual card.
My card.
Ooh, what that That's what I like. Talk to me nice. So don't talk to me at all. I like that Thank you.
Hold on. Here you
Oh,
go.
make sure you put your money
Oh, I
in your
will.
card. Oh, God. You got a card number too?
I don't have a card on me, but I can give you all my info.
I need everybody run their shit.
So,
Please.
we're gonna give you a card.
I need everybody. I need a badge. Everybody gonna have to run their shit.
Okay,
I
young
never
lady.
See me in court.
Like I said, you can file a complaint with Amazon. You'll get all their.
Yeah, they gonna see you in court when they pick you up from the county jail.
I
That
don't
way.
care.
Cause
Right
that's
now,
what's
we're
finna
gonna ask-
happen.
We're gonna escort you out of the building
What's your
right now.
number?
I just
No,
gave
you're
my.
Bro. Hold on, y'all. Goddamn big ass fly just
card.
Oh, God.
You have all his.
You attack me. I want you to attack me.
Okay.
I want you
Easy.
to.
EPIEL 4052.
She her daddy's son.
Thank you. 52.
4052.
Yep.
I got you.
Okay. So listen, let's get your boots back on. We're gonna escort you out.
Boots on the ground.
No, you're not gonna do me. You ain't gonna touch
Security
me.
and
You
myself.
can do it.
Okay.
You did.
Okay.
Okay.
You.
Do you have
I
your,
want their name.
do you have your shoes?
I want her name.
Bro.
Get her name for me. Get that fat name for me.
This.
I should have trained her.
All the names.
I don't give. I want his name too.
Young lady,
Come right
let's
there.
go.
Look, I want his name.
Miss, we gotta
Bro,
walk
I
you out.
want his name.
I got you.
I need his name.
You gotta stop.
What the is his name.
I'm gonna walk you.
Find out his name.
Let's go.
Find out his name.
You break that and
Cause if I live, they not gonna know. What the f is his name?
Let's go. You're
I
done.
don't want to start this
Oh,
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Taisha had already slapped one of the office security personnel, so the officer preemptively shoved her into place before she got a chance to become violent again. Here's another angle of the takedown.
damn.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Yeah, you going to jail. What's that?
you are going to
Lock
jail.
me up, big dog.
Why would you want to be glad to go to jail, babes?
Lock me up, big dog.
Central 4052. One adult female in custody.
Thank you. Thank you, big dog.
28 hours.
Thank you, big dog. Thank you.
Is that what she really wanted though? Because that's what I'm starting to get. Like she really wanted to get arrested, which I don't understand that.
Thank you. I hope you ready for it.
She have
I hope
any
you
other
ready for
property
it.
here?
I hope you ready for it. I'm good with it. I hope you ready for it. I hope you ready for it, big dog.
I'm ready.
I hope you ready.
Hey,
I really
Shay,
hope
Shay.
you ready. Look at my face.
Shay.
I hope you ready for it.
Shay,
Cause
listen.
I'm coming at you. I
Shay.
swear to God.
Shay,
That's
listen.
on my grandma, dog.
Shay, when you took your
No,
shirt off by the
don't worry about
security
it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's okay. It's okay, boss. You got it, boss. Thank you. Nice meeting.
Yeah,
You did nothing but your job.
likewise.
It's good, dog. I'm ready for it. I hope you ready for me. Yes,
What the fuck is
Come on, I
that?
gotta
you know
stay
what
down.
you was doing.
I gotta stay
You
down.
know what you was doing. That's all I want to do anyway.
Come on.
You ain't
They
know
did.
what
They actually didn't. They actually was giving you like a long ass time to just be like, you know what? Boom, 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 boom. Just leave, little baby. And you just said, yeah, I'm not going nowhere.
But if you was in the car, I'll
Put
kick
it in
your
there.
dumb ass.
Miss, can you stop pulling?
Y'all racist that one. You
Trying to
good.
walk
I'm not worried about you, but this right here.
Miss, come on.
All you see that shit? Cause you sue. You a sue motherfucker. I know y'all ready for that shit.
A sue for what?
Everything but get my shit. No, but you gotta take my
it's
I
coming.
don't say you take my shit.
Oh, what the fuck?
Come on,
Get my
relax.
get my no.
Look at me. Look
I
at me.
need to
Look
see
at me.
everything.
Look at me. We're bringing it to the station. It's going with you.
No, I need to see everything.
Come on.
No, I don't trust him. I don't trust him with nothing. Why you don't touch it?
Let's go.
Why you don't touch it? Why you don't get it?
Stop fighting us. Get what?
No.
You gotta go in the
No, I want nothing what he got.
She need some serious help, for real, for real.
He should have nothing. He should have nothing, dog.
If I grab it, will you okay? If I grab it, will you
yes.
okay? All right.
Yes.
Sit right here.
Yes.
Relax.
I hate him.
Stop.
He's dead to me. He's dead, dog.
Stop.
Bloody dog.
Stop.
I swear to God, you soon. You gonna hate me after this. Your family gonna die. You gonna die everything.
What got her so riled up, though? I'm still lost with that.
Stop.
You gonna die. Your family die.
Let's go. Come on.
Stupid ass.
I have your stuff. Come on.
She did not like being fired. Damn.
Stupid.
Does anybody want to sign complaints as far as threats made towards them? Did she actually hit anybody?
She hit me 3 times. I believe she hit one of the other guards too.
Apartment below.
Okay.
Noise complaint.
I'll just come back in and get your names.
Gotcha.
If you don't want to sign complaints, it's fine. But I'll just put you into the incidents and all that. if you want.
Gotcha.
Y'all telling me without no clothes on my body.
Miss.
And it's cold. I just got no thing. Are you serious?
We have your clothes. You can put it all on when we get there.
I don't have no shirt. I
All
don't
right.
have no shoes.
There's a hoodie in the back.
Who the fuck told you take that off?
Shoes. You racist. Just like all of them.
22
Y'all
like-
racist motherfuckers.
Not all cops are racist, babe.
Y'all just
Miss, I was trying to be very polite with you the whole time. You wouldn't let me talk to you.
got they day.
He was actually being super nice.
Every dog got they day. I promise you. Every dog got they day.
Things took a turn for the worse when officers reached the station to book Taisha, and her behavior became alarmingly unpredictable.
She gotta be on some type of drug.
I'm about to see shut these people.
Hold on, your seat.
Everybody. Stop touching me. You don't touch me. You out. I want your number.
It's patrolman.
You
All
don't touch me.
that stuff.
You can touch me. Don't touch me. You lost your right.
Relax.
Don't touch me. You f***ed up.
Relax.
I want they bag.
All over an Amazon job? Damn, Amazon must have been paying really, really good.
You'll get
I want they bag. I want they badge.
You're gonna get all
I
that
want
stuff.
that badge.
You're gonna
I
get
want
all that
Amazon
stuff. Come on.
shit. Where's my phone? They stole my phone.
Here's your phone. Have a seat for a second.
Oh man.
Let me stole it. I'm a need.
Have a seat.
We got a jacket for you. Hold on.
Don't touch me. You don't touch me.
We have to.
I hate you.
The one that was nice to you all the time. Can we take the handcuffs off?
No.
And then I can secure you to the bench so it's not as...
I don't want him to touch me no more. Oh my God, I need you to call my family and you're gonna use me. I need everybody badge. I need everybody at Amazon. I swear to God.
What's this?
I got no clothes on. Y'all arrest me like this with no shoes on and your clothes on. This is how y'all treat people. This is how y'all treat black African Americans.
Well, you're trying to...
You acting a damn fool, baby. This not even got nothing to do with race. This is how everybody that act like you get treated.
punch the glass
I'm
door,
gonna sue
so
you.
you didn't really have a
You
choice.
want to be sued? I'm gonna sue you.
The property log and...
You treat somebody like this. What if you was your kids? You got kids, right?
My kids be getting their ass whooped. They act like this at the police station. I whoop their ass at the police station in front of the officers and be like, "Is this child abuse?"
Taisha spent the next 10 minutes attempting to free her right hand from the cuffs. After realizing she could never pull her arm out, she started hyperventilating on the floor, leaving officers confused and unsure how to respond.
Thank you. Knock it off.
No, call my family.
Sit down.
Call my family.
You have to-
No, don't try you. I'm scared. Please help me.
Miss.
Please help me. Help me. I'm afraid. Please help.
Miss, you have to sit down.
Help. Stop. I'm afraid.
That is a strong ass do-rag. After all of that she been doing, it's still on her head. That when my do-rag when I go to sleep, every time I wake up, my do-rag is off my head. And I don't know how I move this much.
Contact with the downstairs neighbor. All units will be clear.
Stop pulling your hand out of there. You're not getting any handcuffs.
I'm afraid. Please. Please help me. Please. Please.
Young lady.
No, don't leave me.
Miss, you gotta sit down.
No! Call my family! Call my family!
Oh, call her family.
Call my family!
We need a phone number for him.
No!
Give me a phone number for the family.
She need mental help. She need to go to the hospital. They need to sedate her ass or something.
Get me out of here!
What's your parent? What's your parent's phone number?
Help me! Please. Help!
We need a number for your parents. and we'll
Stop
give
trying to
them
get
a
out of
call.
handcuff. Stop.
I need to put her in a straitjacket. Shit.
You gotta stand up. Come on.
Help me!
Do you want to walk or do we have to drag you?
She tired. She didn't use up all her energy yelling.
Okay. Sit down right here.
Oh my God!
There you go.
Yo, don't try to bite me.
You got me in cold. These motherfuckers drag me.
You got a blanket for her?
They drag me!
I'll put a blanket on you, okay?
Where her do-rag at?
They drag me on the coat! If you had kids, you would know that! I'm a name me! I work hard! I'm black!
23-year-old
I don't know if we want to claim this one, y'all.
Taisha was charged with trespass of property, disorderly conduct, and simple assault. She was released on summons and discharged from the hospital the next day. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and comment button as well. 32 is 9 o'clock. It's time to go to sleep. Huh? Girl, I got work to do. Just put the pillow behind your back and act like I'm there. But that's it, baby. Wee.